I have here an electric spin scrubber. So I'm going to take everything out here, see what it comes with, and I'm going to use it. So inside the box here, got some different head pieces, instructions, comes with a nice little bag, a charging cord, and underneath here, we've got lots of different head pieces here, different scrubbers. Looks like it comes with lots of different things here. And then the actual scrubber head here and the extra pieces. This is super easy to assemble and disassemble. So you're just going to take these 3 pieces here and put them together. Really simple to put together, and then you can use it. You can extend this handle by just loosening it right here and then pulling it out, and then you can tighten it back up and you can have a longer handle. So if you just use the base handle, it's 11 inches. If you use this length with it closed, it's going to be 41. If you open it all the way, it's going to be 51 inches. This set here comes with 8 different heads here. This one is the brush base. So these ones like this can stick right on top of it so they have a place to sit. This one is the cloth brush. This is going to be ideal for cleaning windows and glass. This one is the large cloth brush. So you have 2 cloth brushes. So you have a smaller one and a larger one. This one is the sponge brush. This one's going to be perfect for windows as well, or even your vehicle. This one is a fiber brush. This one's going to be great for cleaning oil stains on the stove or oil on the kitchen appliances. This one is a corner brush. It's going to be great for cleaning tile grout, edges, corners, or any tight places. This is the large flat brush. It's used to clean large flat surface areas like hard floors, walls, doors, windows, glass, patio furniture, pool, shower. So there's so many different uses for this one. This one is a dome brush. It has a nice round surface, so it's perfect for as a concave cleaning brush for showers, tub, bathtub, sink, baseboards, or toilet. I'm going to try some of these heads, a few of them, to see how well they work. I'm going to try this one on my window here to see how well it cleans. When I was using this one, it was really easy to clean with, and I was just even on the low speed. And I have lots of fingerprints I could see down here with my kids sliming their hands on it, and it got it off. So this one worked really nice. I got this round one on here. I'm going to clean my sink out. I also took the big handle part off, so it's going to be easier to hold inside my sink. When you are using this, it has 2 different speeds, low and high, and then it turns off. This was super nice to clean this. I didn't have to get my hands dirty. I just held this and it scrubbed it really clean. So now I just have to rinse it and it'll be all done. So I just rinsed it. It looks so much cleaner and it was super easy to use this. This is IPX7 waterproof, so it can be fully submerged and it's not going to ruin it. Now I have this tip on, the more pointy one. I'm going to get my grout and try it out. This worked really easy in the grout to get it clean because of the nice pointy top. This bag is mesh, so if one of your heads is wet at all, it will dry because of the way it is used. This electric scrubber is very efficient in cleaning. I really love this bag and all the heads it comes with. You can clean so many things with these heads. So I'd recommend it to anyone that wants a nice, easy way to clean things without getting your hands all gross. You can hold it really easily and it works really, really well.